Hello everyone, you're watching Frma from my guild. Today we talk about the most dangerous bird in the world, like bloodthirsty birds. Let's start. Number 1, vampire finch. Vampire finches specifically that prevent piranhas, as mentioned earlier. This subspecies of finch in the Galapagos Island peck at the skin of large birds, such as boobies, to drink their blood. This behavior is believed to have evolved due to scarce food resources on the isolated islands. Number 2, oxpeckers. Oxpeckers found in sub-Saharan Africa. These birds feed on parasites, insects, and feed on large mammals like buffalo or giraffe. Occasionally, they also feed on the horseplate of pecking acorns, which add them the reputation of being bloodthirsty. Number 3 is horned mockingbird. Native is Espanola Island in the Galapagos. These birds are opportunistic figures, sometimes pecking at the foot of nesting seabirds to bring their blood. Number 4, red-billed trumpetbird. Red-billed trumpetbird will not primarily blood figures. Red-billed trumpetbirds are also known for their aggressive and predative behavior toward other birds. They are opportunistic hunters, sometimes stealing food from subtle stealing food from other species in harsh environments. The last one is number 5, giant petrels. Giant petrels, these large seabirds, are scavengers and predators, nor to attack injured or young animals. They have been observed feeding on the blood and tissue of wounded midgets or other seabirds. While these birds may not relish rolling on blood for sustenance, their unusual thinking habit and opportunist behavior gives them a bloodthirsty reputation in the animal kingdom. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.